I have to wait for everyone. So, hello everyone. My name is Vasundhra Negi. So, we are here for another set of General Agriculture PYQs. This is for horticulture. So, let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes for all of you. And after that we will start with the questions. Okay, so let's start with our first question. Here is your first question. This is of Horticulture 2020. We are starting with Horticulture 2020 PYQ. So first question is, some of the important characteristics of predators are. Answer in the comment box. What are the characteristics of predator? Answer in the comment box. Quickly. Anyone? Okay. So let's discuss. They feed on prey smaller than themselves. So the prey is smaller than the predator. This is correct. Okay. So A is correct. Next is ladybird beetles are not used for managing mealybug and scale insects. Is it true or false? Here it is written what? Not. So this is incorrect. Ladybird beetle are used for managing this mealybugs and scale insects. So this is incorrect. A is correct, B is incorrect, and next is they are free living and require several prey to complete their life cycle. This is also correct, that predators need many prey in its life cycle. So C is also correct. What about D? They feed on prey bigger than themselves. Is it true? Prey is bigger than predator? No, this is incorrect. Prey is smaller than the predator. So D is also incorrect. So right answer is A and C are right answer. Okay, option A will be the answer. Okay, very good. A is the correct answer. So let's move to the next one. So I have written here also, ladybird beetle are not being used for managing mealybug. This is incorrect statement because ladybird beetle is the major biocontrol that is used for mealybugs and scale insects. So it is wrong one. And they feed on prey bigger than themselves. This is also incorrect. The prey is always smaller than that of predator. So very good. A is the correct answer. Next, we have gradual loss of variability from germplasm of a crop is known as what? What we call it? D. Yes, very good. Genetic erosion is the correct answer. What about pleiotrophy? What is pleiotrophy? In which single gene controlling many phenotypic characters. Is it clear? This is pleiotrophy. Next is mutation. Sudden heritable change in the DNA, that is mutation. What is it? Sudden heritable change in DNA, that is mutation. And what about this inbreeding depression? Inbreeding depression, when we cross similar parents or closely related parents, it lead to some depression or inferior progeny as compared to that of parents, that is inbreeding depression. Next is genetic erosion. We discussed gradual loss of variability from germplasm, that is what? Genetic erosion. One gene to control, very good. So D is the correct answer, very good. So I have written here also, reduction in the vigor, fertility, survival, fitness due to mating between two closely related species is called as inbreeding depression, and pleiotropy is what? The condition in which single gene affect two or more different phenotypic character, that is pleiotropy. And mutation I have discussed, sudden inheritable change in the DNA, that is mutation. And genetic erosion is the gradual loss, what? Loss of individual genes or alleles, that is genetic erosion. Okay, so let's move to the next one. The crop having largest area under GMO, yeah, genetic modified seeds in India is? Give me the answer. C, yes, cotton is the correct answer. What about brinjal? It is not what? Permitted. Okay. Next is soybean. ये नहीं है इंडिया में, ये भी नहीं है. Okay, so cotton is the correct answer. Next, number of genotypes in a F2 population of diagonic cross would be what? 9. Very good. Again, this is very simple. 9 is the correct answer. Very good. So these are the basic questions that have been asked in the previous years. So we will revise each and every one. The optimum average daily temperature for wheat sowing is what? Answer in the comment box. A. Yes, it should be A. A is the correct answer. Okay, 22 to 23 degrees Celsius is the correct answer. This is optimum average temperature. Is it clear? Okay. Application of remote sensing and GIS based technologies are essential for what? Which of the following farming? They are used for what? C. Yes. Precision farming is the correct answer. And what is precision farming? That here we require data of a particular location, right? We are very specific here that we require all the information for a particular place. Okay, for this we use these AI powered systems which are remote sensing and GIS. Okay, so it is used in precision farming. And what is integrated farming and mixed farming? What are they? So in integrated farming and mixed farming, what we are doing? We are using crop production like livestock. We are growing together. We are integrated them so that the output of one farm will act as an input of the other. So these are integrated farming. And what about these intensive farming? In intensive farming, we are using high-tech seeds, fertilizers, intensively, equipments. Okay, so we are extensively using all the agriculture assets here. Is it clear? So the remote sensing and GIS, it is based on this precision farming. So precision farming is the correct answer. Is it clear? Very good. C is the correct answer. Correct. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Seed viability can be tested by what? Seed viability. In which method? Is it germination, excised embryo test, tetrazolium test, or all of these? Is only tetrazolium or both? Viability. Only C? Why C? Tetrazolium is one of them, but D, very good. D is the correct answer. All of these are used to test the seed viability, whether seed is viable or not. In germination test, what we are doing? We are checking from total number of seed, how many seeds are being germinated. Okay, so by doing direct germination test. So it is one of the method to check the viability, whether it is viable. If it will generate, then it is viable, and if it is not germinating, it is not viable. So first is germination test. Second one, excised embryo test. What we do in this? We remove the embryo, check seeds by germinating. Next, in which we remove the embryo and cultured it artificially. And after that, we will check how many embryos are viable. Okay, what about tetrazolium? Yes, you all are saying tetrazolium. It is a method to check the seed viability. So here answer will be D. Either 1, 2 or 3. Any of the method is used to check the seed viability. Is it clear? So I have written here also germination test is correct, excised embryo test is correct, and last tetrazolium test is correct, in which we use this TTC, triphenyl tetrazolium chloride, to check the seed viability. Is it clear? Clear hai? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Which of the following crop can be grown during Kharif, Rabi and spring season? Which of the following? This is a direct question. Yes, B is the correct answer. Maize can be grown during Kharif season, during Rabi season, during spring season. Very good. B is the correct answer. Next is, which soil needs liming for effective and efficient fertilizer use? This is again a very simple and direct question. Which soil needs liming? Answer in the comment box. D. Very good. It is D. Acidic soil. Acidic soils are the soil that require liming. Very good. D is the correct answer. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Here we have next question. Seed Act was enacted during which year? Seeds Act. (1966). Yes, 1966 is the correct answer. Seeds Act was enacted in the year 1966. Very good. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Chemical that is beneficial to releaser and not favorable to receiver. What we call this? Is it chiromone? Is it allomones? Is it allelochemicals or buprofezin? What is it? What we call that chemical that is beneficial to releaser and favorable to receiver? Is it D? Yes, allomones. Allomones are the chemical which is benefited to emitter, got benefited and receiver. For receiver it is harmful. Is it clear? And what about these pheromones? These are what? Allomones. What about pheromone? Opposite of allomones, these are pheromones. Like what are pheromone? Emitter is harmful for emitter and beneficial for receiver. Is it clear? And what about these allelochemicals? All these chemicals are called as allelochemicals. Is it clear? And what about this buprofezin? Buprofezin is the what? Insect growth regulator. Is it clear? What are allomones, pheromones? Is it clear now? Okay, very good. So, next we have, in which farming there is the use of information and technology based system. We have discussed in the previous question also. That question was of 2020. 2020 में भी same question था, 2021 में भी repeat हुआ है. Similar question, information and technology based system. Yes, it is precision farming. So you are getting repeated question. Some of questions are repeating here. Okay. So right answer is precision farming. And options are also same. Mixed farming, intensive farming, only dry agriculture is different. Is it clear? So let's move to the next one. Which sticky trap is used to detect adult white flies? Which trap is used for white flies? Either it is red, blue, green or yellow. For white flies. D, very good. D is the correct answer. Yellow sticky traps are used to detect what? Yellow white flies. And what about thrips? Now you will tell me the answer for thrips. Which colored traps are required for thrips? Very good. Thrips के लिए है blue. Blue sticky traps are used for thrips. Very good. So next question is, random allocation of treatments to experimental unit is known as statistics. Chaliye, what will be the answer? What we call it? Yeah, it's a question itself explaining that it is randomization. And what are these three? Replication, randomization and local control. What is it? These are the principles of experimental designs. These are the three principles of experimental design. First one is replication, second is randomization, and third is local control. What is replication? Replication is how many times treatment is occurring. Okay, or repeating. How many times one treatment is repeating? That is its replication. Okay, what about local control? What is local control? Local control means to group all the homogeneous units into one. but we do all the homogeneous units, that is the data which are similar or all the homogeneous unit, we make it one or group them together. That is called as local control. And these three are, what are they? You should know these are the principle of experimental design: replication, randomization, and local control. Is it clear now? Okay, so let's move to the next one. I have written here also what is randomization, what is replication, and what is local control. The chromosome number of common rice is? What is the chromosome number of common rice? Very good. 24. Again, this is direct question. 24 is the chromosome number of common rice. Now, next question is, under North Indian conditions, plant crop of sugarcane should be harvested during which period to obtain profuse ratoon initiation? What is it? C, very good. C is the correct answer. So during these days, these are considered that temperature is generally low or comparatively low than this period. So there will be no profuse ratoon initiation in this, and this temperature is considered late. So this is the appropriate time, that is mid-Feb to mid-March is appropriate time for what? This sugarcane harvesting for profuse ratoon initiation. You know the purpose, what is it? That is profuse ratoon initiation के लिए. Very good, C is the correct answer. Okay. Clear hai? Tell me in the comment box. Okay, good. So I have written here also that sugarcane is a mid-Feb to mid-March, provides favorable temperature and soil condition for rapid sprouting of these stubble buds, resulting in profuse ratoon initiation and a better ratoon crop. Okay, so let's move to the next one. First stable product of C3 pathway is what? A. Very good. 3-PGA, which is 3-phosphoglycerate, is the first stable product of C3 cycle. Now you will tell me who is the first CO2 acceptor in this cycle. Answer this one. Who is the first CO2 acceptor in this C3 cycle? Very good. RUBP. Very good. It will be RUBP. Very good. RUBP is the correct answer. Okay. The water requirement of wheat is what? Again, this is a direct question and very simple. You have to cram it as it is. What is the water requirement of different crops? So you will tell me what is the water requirement of this wheat. What is it? B, C. Yes, 50 to 55 centimeter is the correct answer. Okay, 50 to 55 is correct answer. Very good. C is the correct answer. Now next is The combined effect of allelochemicals and competition of weed with the crop is called as what? What we call this phenomena, or what we call this effect? What we call it? Okay, A. Yes, interference is the correct answer. And these are not related to this. What about this allelopathy? What is allelopathy? Tell me in comment box, what is allelopathy? Anyone? Allelopathy is a phenomena in which one organism or plants generally suppress or induce the growth of other organism. Now give me example of crop in which this allelopathy can be seen. In horticultural crops. In which horticulture crop this allelopathy can be seen? Anyone? Chemical released by plant to affect another crop. Yes, very good. Now you will, very good. Yes, walnut. Walnut is the plant in which allelopathy can be seen. Very good. Walnut is the correct answer. Correct. Okay. Next is the quality of air at a given location is characterized by AQI in the range of what? Quality of air. In which range? Is it 0 to 200, 0 to 300, 0 to 400 or 0 to 500? What is it? What will be the answer? D. Very good. 0 to 500 is the correct answer. The quality of air at a given location is characterized by AQI and the range of AQI is 0 to 500. Yes, D is the correct answer. Soil of B horizon are dominated by. What is present in the B horizon of soil? What is it? Delhi AQI is very poor. Okay. Now tell me this. B horizon. What is present in the B horizon of soil? C. Very good. Clay, iron, aluminium and humus are present in the B horizon of soil. Very good. And we will discuss different origin. What is in the O origin? This is what? Organic matter and litter is present in the O origin of soil. What about A origin? Topsoil, mineral matter plus humus is present in the A origin. What about B? As we discussed, clay, iron, aluminium and humus is present. And what about C? Withered parent material is present in the C origin. What about R? Here it is bedrock. Okay. So these are the different origins of the soil. Now next is stem rot disease of rice occur at a stage from which stage? Stem rot. Tell me this stem rot stage कहाँ से शुरू होता है? A. Very good. A is the correct answer. During panicle initiation to booting stage and it is caused by stem rot disease. It is caused by What? Sclerotium oryzae. So what happened during the when plants are in the water, during the water line, what happened? Black lesions appear. Near the water line. Near the water line, and after that these lesions enlarge, and after some time what happened on these lesions? Black colored sclerotia are present on this lesion. So this disease start from what? Panicle initiation to booting stages. Is it clear now? This is A is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move. And causal organism is this Sclerotium oryzae. Okay. So I have written here also scientific name is Sclerotium oryzae. Its telomorph, that is sexual stage, is Magnaportia salvini. And its characteristic symptoms, as I told you, panicle initiation to booting stage is the initiation of this small black lesion near the water line on the leaf sheath, and after that numerous black sclerotia develop inside and outside the stem in this stem rot disease. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Which biological agent can control Parthenium hysterophorus weed? Now tell me answer for each of the options. Firstly, tell me for this Parthenium. D, very good. D is the correct answer. And tell me for this. This is used for which of the weed? What is it? Answer for this one, no? Don't answer for like this only, you know, only for Parthenium. This is used for what? Anyone? Lantana, very good. This is used for Lantana camera. Okay, and what about this? This is very simple. Neochatina brucki. What is it? Or it is used for which weed? Apantia? Water hyacinth, very good. And what about this? Dactylopius is used for what? Apantia. Correct. Very good. Okay, so I have written here also Parthenium is used for this Parthenium. Zygogramma is used for this Parthenium. Lantana and Ecornia, Apantia, everything is written. Very good. This Mayank powder, very good. Your answer is correct. When the soil cover of crop is about 70 to 80%, the crop coefficient is referred to as what? This is a slightly confusing one, but okay. What will be the answer? Is it initial stage? Is it mid-season stage? Is it crop development or late season stage? What is it? So it is crop development stage. Very good. C is the correct answer. Now you will tell me crop cover for initial, mid and late season. Only you will answer this. Either answer here or you will answer it in the comment box. Anyone? Okay, tell me in the comment box. This is your homework. What is the crop cover for initial, mid and late season? Note it down. Next is given below are the two statements. Okay, statement 1 is each parasitoid require only one host which it kills for its development into free living adult and is of same size as host. It is for parasitoid. And what about predator? Predators are free living and often larger than prey, requiring several prey to complete its life cycle. We have discussed similar question in question paper of 2020 and this is for 2023. What is the correct answer? D or A? What is wrong in this statement 1? What do you feel wrong in this? Hmm? Very good. A is the correct answer. Why this statement 1 is wrong? Huh? Yes, A is the correct answer. Very good. A will be the that the parasitoid require only one host. It kills its host and complete its life cycle and develop into a free living adult. Okay, and about predator, we have discussed earlier also. Predator is always bigger than its prey and it requires many prey to complete its life cycle. So, both statement 1 and 2 are true. Is it clear now? Okay. So, here is your next question. Exposing seeds to beneficial microorganisms is called as what? Is it matrix priming, hydropriming, helopriming or biopriming? What is it? Biopriming. Very good. Now in the comment box, tell me what is matrix priming, what is hydropriming and what is helopriming. Quickly. What is matrix, what is hydro, what is helo? Yes, yes, D is the correct answer. But in the comment box, now tell me what are these? These matrix, hydro and helo. Anyone in the comment box? Okay. So we will understand it from here why they are wrong. So here it is asked that seeds exposed to beneficial microorganism are what? Biopriming. This is correct. What about matrix priming? Seeds are mixed with moist seed carriers. Okay. Moist seed carriers like vermiculite, peat moss, etc. to control the water uptake of the seeds. That is called as matrix priming. And what about this hydropriming? Seeds are soaked in water and dried before sowing. That is hydropriming. And what about this helopriming? Seeds are soaked in salt solution. That is helopriming. Salt for hello. Very good. Very good. Is it clear now? Okay. So, world's first cytoplasmic male sterility based pigeon pea hybrid is. What will be the answer? What is it? A? Yes, this. Pushkal is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Very good. Which of the following is a C4 plant? Yes, sugarcane. Sugarcane is our C4 plant. Very good. Carbohydrates that produces 2 to 10 monosaccharide unit during the hydrolysis is called. What we call it? Is it monosaccharides, aldoses, ketoses, or polyhydroxyaldehydes? Oligosaccharides. Very good. What are the aldoses? Sugar containing the aldehyde group, that is what? Aldoses. What is ketoses? Sugar containing the ketone groups. These are called as ketoses. And this polyhydroxyaldehyde, this is the definition of these saccharide sugars. Is it clear? So, oligosaccharide is the correct answer. Very good. Which is the world's first semi-dwarf photo period insensitive and high yielding rice variety? Again, very basic question. What will be the answer? What is it? Yes, Pusa Basmati 1 is the correct answer. This is the world's first semi-hybrid, photoperiod insensitive and high-yielding rice variety. Very good. This is the correct answer. Formula for calculating gross ratio is Agri economics का ये question है तुम्हारे लिए. That the formula for gross ratio is what? A. Very good. Total expenses divided by gross income. This is for gross ratio. The peg formation in the groundnut is R positively what? Hydrotrophic? Geotrophic. Very good. Geotrophic is the correct answer. What is chemotrophic? What are they? Chemotrophic, thigmotrophic and these hydrotrophic. What are they? Geo means growth or movement towards what? Gravity. What is it? Hydrotrophic? Movement towards water. What is this thigmo? Towards what? Touch. And what about chemo? Towards movement or growth towards chemicals. Is it clear? Thigmo means solid object. Okay, yes, touch you can say. So is it clear? Peg formation कैसा है groundnut में? Geotrophic. It's movement toward gravity. That is geotrophic. Is it clear? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Frontline demonstration is an example of which extension teaching method? Frontline demonstration. Which type of demonstration it is? Or which type of extension teaching method it is? Frontline demonstration. Is it mass? Frontline. सबसे पहला. Yes, very good. C, group contact. So, we will discuss all the extension teaching firstly to the group of farmers. Okay. So, this is frontline demonstration is an example of what? This group of, group contact. Okay. So, C is the correct answer. Next is calculate the amount of water for scheduling irrigation in grapes at Ratio of 1 with 6 centimeter of CPE. 6, very good. 6 is the correct answer. What is the ratio? Is 1. And the value of CPE? So this ratio is given what? 1. They have given the ratio is 1. And what is the CPE? Value of CPE is 6. So what will be this? 1 into, that is 6 will be the answer. Very good. 6 is the correct answer. Next is a novel plant breeding techniques designed to directly produce parental line for any heterozygous plant is. What is it? What we are doing here? Directly producing parental line for any heterozygous plant is. We are producing parental line. What is it? Is it reverse breeding? Is it forward breeding? Is it molecular breeding or tilling? What is it? A, very good. This is reverse breeding when we are directly producing the what? Parental line. What about forward? This is the conventional breeding that we are normally doing, producing offsprings. Okay. What about molecular breeding? We are using different techniques like molecular assisted selection. And what is this tilling? That is used to identify the generally mutations. So is it clear? Reverse is the correct answer. Very good. So it is clear or not? Okay. So let's move to the next one. The average per day water requirement for rice is about what? What is it? Average per day water requirement for rice. 10 mm. Very good. 10 mm is the correct answer. Generally, it ranges from this. So here 10 will be the answer. 10 mm is the correct answer. Very good. C is the correct answer. Now next is, which one of the following is used to find out the central tendency of skewed distribution? Again, this is statistics 2025 का question, horticulture 2025 का. So tell me which one of the following is used to find out the central tendency of skewed distribution? Okay, median is the correct answer. Now what is this central tendencies and skewed distribution? What are they? So we have two type of distribution. Distribution means how data is distributed in the data set. So it is of two type. Generally normal distribution and second is skewed. Here data is distributed in balanced manner. Okay, and here data is unbalanced. And what are these central tendencies? These are mean, median, mode. Okay, to find out mean, median, mode, to check the center of the data, that what is the mid value of data. Okay, so these are the central tendencies. So what about this skewed distribution? What is the best method? If we are considering for normal distribution, we will consider it for what? Mean. Okay, and for skewed one, it is median. Yes, median is the correct answer. So this was for statistics. Next is also from statistics. Simplest measure of dispersion is. What is simplest measure of dispersion? Range. Very good. Range is the correct answer. That which will tell that how much, what is the distance between the center value or like mean value or the middle value among the, like we have data, different data, and this is your mean or central tendency. So this measure of dispersion tell us that what is the distance between other values from this central tendency value. Okay, so that is measure of dispersion, and range is the simplest method to measure the dispersion. Is it clear? Clear hai? Clear or not? Okay. So next we have control of pod borer in chickpea. Sex pheromone traps are installed at which stage? To control chickpea, sex pheromone traps is installed at which stage? B. बी से पहले एक्टिवेट हो जाता है हेलिकोवर्पा. What will be the best stage? A. Very good. During flower bud initiation stage, we have to use these sex pheromone traps because and what is this? Pod borer? Helicoverpa. ओके सो हमें यहाँ पे फ्लावर बड इनिशिएशन स्टेज पे ही वी हैव टू यूज दिस सेक्स फेरोमोन ट्रैप्स टू कंट्रोल दिस पॉड बोरर इन चिकपी. क्लियर है? ओके नेक्स्ट वी हैव सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, which are true among four of the statement. First one is mutual arrangement of particle in soil. Is it true or false? Is it correct or not? This is correct. Mutual arrangement of particle in soil. Next is soil structure is related to orientation of particle in the soil. Is it true or false? This is also true. Okay. And what about organization of particle in soil? True or false? This is also correct. Size of particle in soil, it does not come under the soil structure. Clear? Very good. ABC. ABC is the correct answer. Soil structure not come under this. Size of particle do not come under this soil structure. Is it clear? Okay. Next is which short durated basmati rice mature within 150 to 120 days? Which variety of basmati? 1509? Yes. 1509 is the correct answer. This basmati variety. Pusa basmati 1509 matured at 115 to in between 115 to 120 days. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next is Acaria uraronis is major pest of what? And what is this? What is this? Firstly, tell me what is this Acaria uraronis? What is it? Yeah, coconut is the correct answer. What is this? Which insect or very good? This is mite. Correct. We call it coconut mite. Coconut mite is the correct answer. So this was all about our questions from 2020 to 2025 horticulture PYQs. So here we have this test series for 399 rupees for this exam, that is on 4th July. Next we have Sreshtha batch, which is of 4999. This is our target batch for 2027. Next we have this foundation batch 2028, which is of 8999 for the students who will appear in 2028 exam. And next we have this our ASRB net and ICAR PhD batch for fruit science, which is of 5999. So these are the available courses we have. So this was all about today's class. Hope you enjoyed the class, and we will come with more series. So for today, this was all about the class, and we will discuss other set of PYQs, other set of general agriculture PYQs tomorrow. So thank you very much.